Now for payments, you head over to payments. You will see a lot of payment providers. Now you can choose to accept payments on the booking page and require payments upfront. You can choose to do that, but because this is a free account, we can't be able to do that because it is on a free account. Now you can choose to collect cash. It is very easy to do, and hit on connect and it will be done. You can now collect cash on payments. So this are the instructions on how to do that. You will see new payments button, click on in and login. So if someone has paid you, you can actually go into their booking and say this person has paid you. So that is it, to collect cash. Maybe you have a POS in your shop, someone walks into the shop and makes a payment with a cash, and you go to your Setmore and click that they have paid, but you have their information. So that is every other instruction about payments. So you can customize the booking payments and the payment history. If there is any payment history, it will appear here, and then this is the report of how things are, but your account is still new, so no reports will be here. The billing section, this is where you need to upgrade your account. I love using annual billing because this is like 50 something bucks or so, and this one is per user, so it is affordable to be paying annually instead of wasting money paying monthly $12. So that is it, and you can refer a friend and make money with Setmore. Copy link, send it to your friend. Once they upgrade to a pro account, you get 50% of whatever they use. So that is the way Setmore works, and you guys are welcome.